Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and today I will share with you again new project, and the project name is Smart AI Parking System ANPR plus YOLOv8. Means I have created the custom model which we will detect which basically detect the number plate, and I have created the model using RoboFlow dataset. So it will detect any car number plate, and we will use here our USB web camera. So the project name is, as you can see, Smart AI Parking System ANPR plus YOLOv8 and plus Flask application. So I will mention the project buy me coffee link inside description box. If you are from India, of course you can simply GPay. After GPay you have to mention your Gmail address. So I will send the project folder on your Gmail. So this is what our today's ready to use project. Simple. So I have already downloaded the project folder inside downloads. As you can see, this is the zip format folder. Right click and just click on extract all. It will extract our project folder. Now we will open the project folder using our VS Code. So VS Code, and I will open here our project folder, file, open folder and downloads, and this is what our project folder. Click on it, and inside that we have our main folder, which is the number plate only. Select it, click on select folder. It will open our folder like this way. So app.py, but first we want to install the packages. So there is a requirements.txt. We have to only run the command pip3 space install space -r and re, and just press tab button, hit enter. It will install all those packages. So we need here basically Ultralytics, OpenCV, CV zone, pedal and pedal OCR for reading the text from the number plate. So we have done with the package installation. If any issue with the package installation, you can simply WhatsApp me on my mobile number. Simple. So we have done with the package installation. Now simply we will run the code and it will open our application. And as I mentioned, you have to connect your USB web camera with your computer, or if you have the laptop camera, then it's okay, no worry. So as you can see, it's created the database because we need here a database. So ParkingDB SQLite database, and I have created the login panel. So by default the username is basically admin, and a capital and admin @123 is the password. So just click on the link, follow link. As you can see, this is how it's look like. I already tested, that's why the admin user is already there. As you can see, the first time default credentials will basically admin, a capital admin @123. so admin I have already mentioned. You can click here and you can cross check, click on sign in, welcome to admin, and this is what our dashboard. As you can see, this is what our dashboard. So you can change your password after you log in as an admin. Here it is. As you can see, you can edit and you can simply mention your password. So I will change the password 12345667, cross check 12345667 and click on save user. So I have changed the password. Now I will simply sign out and I will again add the new password, which is 12345667, same username. Click on sign in and it will allow to log in. Simple. So we have successfully logged in. Now as an admin user, you can add your staff also. So go to the admin panel again and you can create here new login for your staff. So click on add user and you can simply mention here staff 1 or staff 2, and the role you can choose admin or staff. So staff, and then you have to mention the password for your staff, the person which you want to use your software. So let's just say 123456 and cross check 123456 and click on save user. Click on OK, no thanks, and just sign out. And now I will log in as a staff 1, and I will cross check the password 123456, cross check and just sign in. Now as you can see, I have login as a staff. Here it is, as you can see. So this is how you can use the login. If you want to upgrade the login system, you can simply message me. We will work on that also, but for basic it is best. Now the main thing, we will start our web camera and then we will detect the number plate. So as I mentioned, I have used here a RoboFlow data set. I think 400-500 images in that particular data set which detect any car number plate. Remember, any car number plate. Also I have used YOLOv8 for creating the custom model. Simple. So the concept is what, because I want to create here a version, so when we show the number plate to webcam, it will automatically assign a random name, random customer name. Okay, so I will show you. First we will we have to click on basically start webcam. So I will click on start webcam, and inside my mobile there is some images. Okay, so what we will do, we will start our webcam. So as you can see, I have started the webcam, and inside my mobile there is one number plate. So as you can see, this is what the number plate. So once you get the ID, as you can see there is a ID, you have to click on capture. It will capture and it will show the number plate over here, and you will get here a progress. So right now this particular user with this particular number plate just park. As you can see here, you will get all the data. You will get all the data. Simple. And now again, if you here it's basically, here you will see the time, how much time it's parked. As per that time you have to pay some amount. So now same number plate I will show like this way. We have to wait. We get the track ID. Now just click on capture. It will pop up to pay. Okay, as per your number it will pop up. You have to click on, this is basically the dummy link, so you have to just click on it and done, and then as you can see, exited and paid. Simple. So this is the whole concept. So now let's just say you want to stop the camera. You can simply click on here stop, and it will stop your camera. Now the main thing is what, let's just say if you want to delete the database, you can delete the database, but if you want to delete the database, you have to become admin user. The normal user will not able to delete anything. As you can see, I have logged in with the admin. So from here you have to click on clear all parking records, and then you have to measure here CLEAR, clear all the capital way, delete everything. You can delete, but only if you become admin user. Let's just say if I go with the sign out, and if I mention here staff 1, which is our normal user, and I have to mention the password 12345 sign in. And as you can see now, right now I am logging as a staff, but there is no panel, admin panel, because the normal user is not basically allowed to delete and do anything. Simple. So if you want to delete the database, you have to log in as a admin user. So this is how all the project will work. We'll meet our next project. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.